Hello everyone, this is Krissy Diaz from UC Workspace and welcome to our video on how to configure Lockdown Manager. The Lockdown Manager hides the Windows Explorer shell and replaces it with a Quicklaunch shell which prevents access to the desktop, start menu, taskbar, task manager, and Windows keys. This allows you to create a kiosk-style computer setup with Quicklaunch. Lockdown Manager will also ensure Quicklaunch stays running even if killed or rebooted. How to enable and disable Lockdown Manager. To enable, go to Settings, Systems, and at the far right under Options, select Enable Lockdown Mode. A notification will appear advising to have a local Windows admin account for system access outside of Quicklaunch. If you wish to proceed, select Yes. Lockdown Mode will be enabled. Lockdown Mode prevents desktop from being accessed when the PC is booted and the Quicklaunch account is signed in. To disable, go back to Settings, Systems, Options, select Disable Lockdown Mode. Thank you for viewing our video on how to install Lockdown Manager. Be sure to visit our website to learn more about the award-winning software Quicklaunch at www.ucworkspace.com. We would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel to always stay up to date with Quicklaunch news and updates. You can find us at Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn at UC Workspace. I've been Krissy Diaz and I hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye.